Hi everybody, this is Mario Altimari from Learning DAO, and I present the closing report of the project First Universal Learning Connector, aka PoLiL, funded during the 7th edition of Catalyst Fund. In this month, a few people contributed to a Learning DAO mission, and the community is growing. Here are the main contributors and all the others. So, what is the problem on the market and what solution we made? EdTech giants such as Coursera siloed their users, preventing learning data interoperability. That generated a few issues. For example, similar or overlapping learning material experienced on different platforms cannot be used to certify new skill. But also, employers cannot verify user knowledge acquired. They just can trust the reputation of a certification badge. So we built an open source a learning tool with no vendor lock-in that to put the user in control of their learning data. PoLiL is a connector between user and learning platform and accessible through a Cardano wallet. You can have more info on polil.net or on our GitHub repo. Why Cardano? Let's say, why not Ethereum? Researchers at Kyoto University tried to implement a global lifelong learning records adopting Ethereum, and they found insuperable problems of scalability and gas cost. Let's visualize the concept of certification and lifelong learning.
What is a diploma or a certification? It is a snapshot of your knowledge of a picture at a certain time. This is you. Your knowledge grows with you. Everything you study and learn is you. Sometimes when you complete a learning path, you get a certificate that proves it. Sometimes what you learn is not on a defined path, sometimes what you learn doesn't end up with a certificate. You could think you are close to the finish line, but learning is a lifelong process. Everything you learn is always part of your knowledge. Everything you learn makes you who you are. PoLiL connects the dots. PoLiL is your proof of lifelong learning journey.
We evolve our knowledge in many ways, not just by following a Coursera course, but also doing our hobby, training at work, or just via exposition through learning materials. PoLiL can store all of this info in the user's Cardano wallet, not just because it's cool or fair, in the end it's our data, but also because many services can be built on top. Imagine a clever system that collects the user learning data and create a new certification or qualification just by matching things that user already know, plus extra material suggested. Finally, we are ready to go with a demo. I'm accessing to David. Okay. See if there is something from him. Nope. Okay. He's already a user of our Moodle instance. Okay, he went through already a few of them. Marcus Red. And then he remove it. Yeah, and he's back. Okay, and let's see. These transactions represent David learning materials experienced. So if you go here, for example, then we can see that what he clicked before, plans for rainforest, is now stored. But we want to do something different now. So assuming that David want to attend a conference, so we built this dummy app just to show the scenario. So he registered to this conference because there is a very interesting topic talking about Cardano Summit 2023 because there are very clever speakers and including someone that can teach something. And so David decided to attend it, not the robotics, but attend the Cardano Summit. So what happened to his wallet? Let's see if there is something new. Oh, there is something new here. There's something new to see. Okay, David experienced a conference attendance, and I'm sure he want to transact that. Okay, so if we wait for this one, let's see. Okay, started. Everything is inside the David wallet. But how that works behind the scene? Users with their wallet interact with the PoLiL app. We did a plugin to connect Moodle and Cardano. This can be an app, any kind of app. For example, our conference attendee that we did. Um, we customized a learning record store and intercept the learning statements and save it on our database and also on APFS. When the user paid the transaction of one symbolic ADA, it goes to our learning DAO treasury. And that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Cardano Community. Thank you, Project Catalyst. I hope you enjoy it and see you soon.